So we have our faucet here, which actually is a bathroom sink faucet, which we've put into a bathtub, and it fits just fine, but the problem with it is it's very low flow. So look at how long it's going to take to fill up this container, and let me know if you want to wait that long to fill up this whole bathtub. So I think this is pretty unacceptably slow. You agree? Okay. I've seen enough. That's not going to work. So, there is a water flow reducer inside. And getting access to them on these is actually really easy because there's an access plastic panel down here. That just pulls right off. And then here, inside of here, you have a couple Allen wrench bolts in there. So let me just grab my Allen key here. See what size you're looking at there. Smaller than that. Pretty tiny. Cool, here's a tip. Close the drain so you don't lose those. Follow me for more brilliant advice like that. Here's one. Looks like it's got a bit of Loctite on there. Second one. And it's just these two bolts holding it in there. It's not much. Okay. Those are out. And now your aerator assembly comes right out. You're going to pull it down and out at the same time. You see that? Can you see this? So if you look inside of here, can you see in there? Right there. Let's bring it into the light here. That's it right there. That's your water flow restrictor, that little white bit right in the middle on the inside. So we're going to take some needle nose pliers. I'm just going to very carefully pull that right out. That's it right there. See that? This is why your water's so slow. So basically this is the difference between a bathtub filler and a bathroom sink. This is what's restricting you from about 2.2 gallons a minute down to about 1.1 gallon a minute, and that's just brutally slow. So we'll yank that out, it's gone, and we'll put it back together. And we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's a little quicker now. And if it's not, then we screwed up and bought the wrong thing, and we'll have to just buy another one. I really hate these Allen keys. I gotta get an attachment for my drill. So probably a lot easier to do this before it's installed, and you can get a better view of it. Oh, I see. Okay. There it is. That's one. Number 2. Oh no. Just see, I should have brought a flashlight as well. What are you munching on over there, bud?
Popcorn.
Oh, of course. How is the microwave popcorn?
Well,
Yeah? Alright. Since we're done, I'll throw this back on. And that's it. Now, let's get our trusty bucket and see if we're any faster. Ready? I'd say we're about twice as fast now. Yeah. Yeah. I'm good with that.
turn it off!
That's okay. Last time I got bored waiting for it to fill. And now we're good. So, there you go. You can use a bathroom faucet in a bathtub if you remove the water restrictor, and it's a lot cheaper than a real bathtub faucet. About half the price. I'm stoked. We're done.